Morning children. Today we will do our second class maths classwork and workbooks children. Okay? Yes children, this is our workbook. S1 counting money. Yes, write today's date. Identify the notes and coins. Yes, you have to identify the notes and coins. This is 500 note. This is 100 rupees note. Yes children, this is rupees 2. This is rupee 1. How much money in all? How much money in all children? Okay, how much money in all? This is the pictures. This is money. Well, the first one is how many coins are there children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees, 6 rupees. So how much in all children? 6. This is 10 rupees note. How many are there? 4. 40 rupees. How many are there children here? This is 5 rupees note. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 rupees. So this is 5 rupees coins. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. 15 rupees. Yes, this is how many rupees children? 50 rupees notes. How many are there? 3 are there. 150 rupees. So this is 50 paisa coin. 50 paisa is 1 rupee. This is 50 paisa 1 rupee. 1 rupee makes 2 rupees. Okay. This is S2. Rupees and pies. Rupees and pies. Complete the table. This is the table you have to complete children. This is 50 paisa coins and this is rupees. So here 50 paisa coins, how many are there? 2 are there. So 2 50 paisa coins make 1 rupee. Here is 2 rupees. So 2 rupees makes how many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 50 paisa coins make 2 rupees. Okay children? This is 1, 2, 3. 3 rupees. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees. Rupees 4. Here is rupees 3. 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees. Here is 7 rupees children. Okay. How many coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 50 paisa coins make 7 rupees. Okay. Ram has 6 25 paisa coins. How much does he have altogether? Draw the coins. So 25 paisas, 6 he had. So 50, 1 rupee, 50. 1 rupee, 50 paisa. Yes children. Now S3. What is the value? What is the value? Write the total value. Yes children, S3. What is the value? Write the total value. Okay children. This is coins and notes. Here how many notes and coins and notes are there children? This is 10 rupees note, 5 rupees note, 5 rupees coin. These are 5 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees and 1 rupee. How much it makes? 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 32, 34 and one is 35. So 35 rupees. Okay, these are how many notes are there? 10, 20, 30. 30 plus 5, 35 rupees. Use different ways to show the amount. First one is 33 rupees. 33 rupees. So you have to show different ways. So here is 20 rupees note. Here is 10 rupees and here 5 rupees, 20, 30, 2 rupees children, sorry, 2 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 30 rupees, 32 rupees and this is 1 rupee. So 33 rupees. You can draw one more method, 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note and 10 rupees note. Make 30. So 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. So 33. Same. B1, 47. So 20 rupees, make 40 and this is 5 rupees note. 45, 2 rupees coin. This is also 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin plus 2 rupees coin, 7 rupees. So 47. So another method, children. 10 rupees note, 10 rupees note. This is 20 rupees note. Make 40. This is 2 rupees and this is 5 rupees. So 47. Okay. What is the least number of notes and coins needed to make an amount of rupees 45? So here is 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 20, 30, 40. So 2 rupees, 42, 43, 44 and plus 1, 45. So least number of coins is rupees 1. Okay, children? S4. Let us go shopping. Let us go shopping. Write today's date, children. How much change will you get back if you have only 50 rupees with you? Buy any of the given items. So in this items you have 50 rupees note. So in this items if you buy something, how much you will be getting the change? Let's note. This is, what is this, children? This is a pencil box. This is rupees 27. This is crayons, 31 rupees. This is a cup, rupees 18. This is a box, children, rupees 22. And this is the book, 29. And the ball is 15 rupees and the pencil is 9 rupees. Okay. Now let's go for the shopping. This is the items. This is a pencil box. Yes. Only box. So total amount is how much here, children? 22. So if you have 50 rupees, if you minus 22, how many will be there? 28. Okay. Next, B1. This is a cup. What is the cup of the cost is? 18. So 18 means, children, 50 rupees note you have. So I have given here, children, 45 minus 18 is 32. Yes, children, this is the box. These are the items, box, total amount, change amount, children. So the first one is how much the cost is? 22. So 50 minus 22 is 28. You can draw your, children, lot of places there. 50 minus 22. From 0 we can't take 2. Okay, children, we'll take 1 carrier. So 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here we have borrowed 1 more, children. Here will be 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So 28. We got the answer here, 28. Okay, children. The second one, this is a cup. What is the cost of the cup is 18. So we have to write here rupees 18 and rupees 50 minus 18. We have to take 18. So 50 minus 18 is 32. So we have to write here 32. Okay. This is the book. The book cost is 29. So 50 minus 29 is 21. Okay. Here is crayon and a pencil. So 31 rupees is crayon and 9 rupees is pencil. So crayon and pencil. The crayon is how much, children, here? 31 and the pencil is 9. First add this. 31 plus 9 is 40. So 50 minus 40 is 10. Okay, and this is a book and a ball. So here book is 29 rupees and ball is 15 rupees. So this 2 if we add, we'll get 44. So 50 minus 44, the answer is 6. This is the box. Cost is 22. 22 and 9. 22 plus 9 is 31. 50 minus 31 is 19. So the answer is 19, children. Okay. Rohit brought a book for rupees 38. Which note should he use to pay for the book to get the smallest amount of change? How much change will he get back? He should pay using rupees 50 note. He will get rupees 12 in change. Okay children, let's do our classwork. This is your classwork. Draw the margin. Write today's date, block 22, money. Yes children? First paste fake currency notes and write its value. So you have to paste the currency notes you will be getting in the stationery children. Go and buy and stick it in your classwork books. Okay? 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 note, 2000 note children you have to write. And here you have to write, draw different types of coins which we are using. You have to draw the coins children. 50 rupees coin you will use, 50 paisa coin you will use, no children. Draw this 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Okay children, coins you have to draw in your classwork book. Thank you. See you in your next class. And this will be your last block children. Till 22 only will be your last block. Next we'll see in your revision classes. Okay, thank you. Yes children, maths revision. You will be having blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 10. You will be having for your revision. So daily you can practice in your classworks only, workbooks and readers. Okay children, thank you. These blocks learn from your classwork, workbooks and reader children. Okay.